What's the meaning of altruism? Altruism. 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 Altruism.
Altruism refers to the practice of putting the needs of others above one's own interests. It is characterized by selflessness and a desire to improve the well-being of others without expecting anything in return. This behavior can manifest in a variety of ways, such as volunteering, donating to charity, or simply helping someone in need. Studies suggest that altruistic behavior can lead to increased happiness and life satisfaction, as well as improved mental and physical health. Additionally, it can contribute to creating a more compassionate and cohesive society.